Assalamu alaikum friends. Life is a combination of good and bad things, but under tough and difficult situations, we concentrate on bad things and neglect or forget the good ones. Negativity prevails because we as a human being are very good at achievement and not good at appreciation. Negative thinking or self-defeating thoughts have a strong and devastating impact on our relationships, health, work, and on our lives. The question is how to conquer negative or self-defeating thoughts that shakes our confidence and bring us down. I am going to share a simple strategy with you that will help you people to beat self-defeating or negative thoughts in difficult and tough situations. So let's start. Take a mason jar and tag it with the name Jar of Awesome. Place that jar on a table in your home where you could access and see it easily on daily basis. Anytime something really cool happens in a day, something that made you excited or joyful, write it down on a slip of paper and put it in this mason jar. Cultivate the habit of putting something in every day. Cannot think of anything, you are alive and healthy is a reliable winner. Look for the good, practice finding the good, and you will see it more often. Keep doing this activity because you think you will remember things after some time, but it is not true. When something great happens, you think you will remember it 3 months later, but you would not. The jar of awesome creates a record of great things that actually happened, all of which are easy to forget if you are depressed or facing difficult times. Now when you feel down, look at that jar and eventually you will realize that things are not so bad. Keep the jar where you will see it constantly. If you don't regularly appreciate the small wins, you will never appreciate the big wins. After developing this habit, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with others. If you have kids, bring them involved. It sounds ridiculous to admit, but friends, it works. It helps you when you lose perspective. Once you develop this habit, things will be different, believe me. Have a jar of awesome and appreciate good things on daily basis. Keeping the track record of good things will keep you on track. Please like and share it with your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, mention it in a comment. Thank you for watching.